through observance of Kashmir Martyrs Day on both sides of the line of control and the world over. The Kashmiri people have once again made it clear to New Delhi rulers that they will carry on the mission of their martyrs to free their motherland from Indian clutches, come what may. An analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service said that Modi must remember that the Kashmiris' resolve to resist Indian illegal occupation cannot be subdued through military might. The report stressed that the Kashmiri people are ready to face Indian bullets on their chests but will never accept India's illegal hold of their territory. A day ago, Indian troops and police have intensified the reign of terror by stepping up their cordon and search operations and house raids to suppress the Kashmiris' ongoing freedom movement. The all-parties Hurriyat conference spokesman in a statement in Srinagar maintained that no amount of Indian state terrorism can subdue the Kashmiris' freedom sentiment and they will continue their struggle till it reached its logical conclusion.